Greetings, vac fans. In the continuing saga of true edge cleaning, we got this wonderful 2012 Hoover Tempo Widepath that does a whopping 80 CFM at the nozzle. That bests most clean air uprights. And the sad thing is, I'm putting flour on my just cleaned about 5 hours ago Mohawk medium pile carpet. But that's what it's for. That's why it's a test carpet. Alright, so you can see this has like a little bump out here and on the other side. It's got the extra wide nozzle. Let's see what this well under $100 cheapie, and I heard they just stopped selling them, can actually do. Will it truly edge clean? I think that's a success. Pull up the board. Yep. There's a tiny bit here and here. A little bit of a line there. If you can see it. A little bit smashed on the side, here and here. That was a very, very good result. Really, really fantastic. So, I just can't recommend, just for average carpet cleaning, a machine like this, if you can still find one. I have seen this machine now starting to show up in thrift stores for as little as $5. Yeah, I know it's probably going to be a wreck and smell bad, but what the heck, for $5? It's got a wooden brush roll, and wow, does it ever work well. Okay, on to the next machine. Thanks for watching.